Once upon a time, in the enchanting depths of the jungle, two remarkable animals resided: the wise and gentle elephant, Ellie, and the brave and majestic lion, Leo. Ellie, with her kind eyes and a heart full of compassion, was adored by all the creatures in the jungle. She had a long trunk that she used not only to gather food, but also to help other animals in need. Ellie's immense strength and wisdom made her a beloved figure in the lush greenery. Leo, with his golden mane shimmering in the sunlight, ruled the jungle as the mighty king of all animals. His courageous spirit and powerful roar protected the jungle inhabitants from any danger that dared to approach. Leo was known far and wide for his bravery and unwavering loyalty. One sunny day, the jungle faced an extraordinary challenge. A severe drought had drained the watering holes, leaving all the animals parched and weary. Ellie, with her exceptional memory and knowledge of the jungle's secrets, discovered a hidden oasis deep within the wilderness. She knew it held the key to their survival. Ellie approached Leo, her eyes gleaming with determination, and shared her discovery. "Leo," she exclaimed, "I have found a magical watering hole that can quench our thirst and save our fellow animals." Leo's eyes widened with excitement. He knew it was time to rally the jungle animals and embark on a grand adventure. With a mighty roar, he called out, "Attention, friends of the jungle! Ellie and I have a plan to lead you to a place where water flows abundantly. Follow us, and together we shall overcome this drought." The animals, parched and desperate, gathered around Ellie and Leo. They listened attentively as the wise elephant explained the path they would take. "Stay close to each other," Ellie advised, "and let our unity be our strength. We shall navigate through the dense forest, overcoming obstacles along the way." With the entire animal kingdom following Ellie and Leo, they embarked on a journey through the wilderness. Their determination and unity ignited a spark of hope within the jungle. Along the way, they faced treacherous terrain and even encountered mischievous monkeys swinging from tree to tree. But Ellie's sharp memory and Leo's unwavering courage guided them through each challenge. Together, they climbed mountains and braved the dense undergrowth. Their unwavering spirit inspired the animals to push forward. Finally, after a thrilling adventure, Ellie and Leo led the animals to the hidden oasis, a shimmering pool of crystal clear water nestled amidst vibrant blossoms and towering trees. Cheers of joy echoed through the jungle as every animal quenched their thirst and rejoiced in the newfound abundance. The jungle flourished once again, thanks to the extraordinary collaboration of Ellie and Leo and the unity of all its inhabitants. From that day forward, the animals cherished the bond they had formed, and the lessons they had learned is that unity and compassion can conquer any challenge. Let's be brave, kind, and help others, creating a better world together.
By the way, hitting the like button, you'll send a virtual high five our way. Thank you.